Hi, day 40 of 3 words and expressions of a 100 day. Quick review first. 面包 bread. 鸡蛋 egg. 牛奶 milk. 真的 real. 知道 known. 操作 handle. 随机 random. 变化 change. 秘书 secretary. 职员 office clerk. 老板 boss. 重点 key point. Follow me to learn 微信语音聊天 in Chinese characters today. 微信Translate WeChat. WeChat is a communication app which is widely used in China. 微信微 mic 信 message 微一几信人字旁言微信 WeChat 语音 voice 语音语音语音历日语音 voice I got a voice message on WeChat. 收到一条语音信息，在微信上。聊天 了一熬聊天聊天 means chat 聊天聊天 chat 微信 WeChat 语音 voice 聊天 chat. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.